The Connection Center is the future of the Internet for any individual or company that has a need for their own website. TCC combines all the greatest aspects of the most popular software and Internet sites into a one-stop shop that allows Internet users to empower themselves and their message through their own unique web systems that are also connected to TCC's master network. Simply put, TCC will make it possible for their customers to get everything they could ever want in one place, and they can do so with their own design through their own unique website rather than with generic formats. This one-stop shop of network systems allows for an infinite amount of profits, as will be explored briefly in this presentation. But first, a quick glance at the force behind it all. Serial entrepreneur and founder of the Connection Center, Travis Walton, is a University of Southern California graduate of entrepreneurial studies who founded TCC in 2006 and has developed a functioning prototype platform of his system that is currently being used by such clients as his alma mater, USC, as well as the Napoleon Hill Foundation and other authors, speakers, and companies. Travis built his entire system with independent contractors, 2 programmers, and 1 designer, and plans to hire executive staff after funding. The Connection Center's advisory board includes Irene Ng, co-founder of GreatDomains.com, Robin Jansen, co-founder of Realtor.com, Sherry Neesham, founder of FinanceCenter.com, Margaret Huang, former PR and marketing consultant for LinkedIn and Bebo, and Karen Coyne, president and CEO of the CIA Club nonprofit organization. To understand some of what TCC is capable of, let's take a look at some current uses of the Internet and software to see how TCC is the answer to some common problems. In our first example, Company A is a large enough company to hire in-house web system providers and designers. This method does have some benefits for the company, such as unique branding, cohesive design, and custom-built features. But the significant downside is the exorbitant cost of staffing and employee turnover, which also compromises the security and efficiency of the company. Another downside to companies building their own systems in-house is the limitations and time constraints of having to build systems from scratch, as well as using open source software that is not built for commercial use. If these large companies used the Connection Center instead of their own in-house employees, they would still have the exact unique look they want and customized features, but at a fraction of the cost. Big companies will look forward to saving the big bucks they spend on in-house web systems while still maintaining all of the unique functions they desire. In our next example, Company B is a smaller company that has to piece together their web system with various other online products and services, while having to figure out what can be complex problems on their own without the use of in-house programmers. While the cost here is less than Company A's full-time in-house staffing, it is still more expensive than the more superior system that TCC can provide because Company B's piecemeal approach is costly in the sense of the actual time involved with setting up, maintaining, and corresponding with so many different providers. The other downside is the lack of cohesiveness and branding when having to depend on a multitude of different companies for all the various features necessary for each company's website. Small companies will look forward to saving their time and energy with the Connection Center, where all they need can be found in one place at an affordable cost, with a professional, cohesive appearance that cannot be found with their piecemeal approach. Both Company A and Company B's Frankenstein approach is frustrating, expensive, and time-consuming. The Connection Center's one-stop shop is the solution. The Connection Center has the capacity to profit in many different ways, including the following. First, TCC will profit from selling their software as a service to their customers. Each customer will pay a setup and monthly fee for this service. Second, TCC will profit from unique customization requests and maintenance for its customers, as well as management and consulting services. Third, TCC will profit from providing advertising to each of its customers. And another unique and profitable aspect of TCC is its ability to capitalize on the profits of its participants by receiving a share of monetary transactions made through its system and connection services. While this is actually one of the most profitable areas of TCC, it's also the most complex, so that aspect can be explored outside of this brief overview. Connection Center is the future of the Internet. With technology being as advanced as it is today, companies and individuals should be able to have everything they want in one place. The Connection Center is that one-stop shop.